Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix unsupported GPU processing mode. As you can see guys here in this error, you're going to find please review the GPU drivers and GPU configuration under preferences. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the start menu and search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here, search for device manager and then click on it. Once you're here in the device manager, go to display adapters and then you're going to see your graphic card right here. So for me, I have the NVIDIA one. Go ahead and right click on it and then click on properties. Once you click on properties, click on driver, and then right here, you're going to find your driver detail, update driver, rollback driver, disable driver, and lastly, uninstall device. So go ahead and click on rollback driver. So once you roll back, you can't click on this option again. So then after that, go ahead and click on OK and test if Davinci Resolve 18 is working. If not, then go to your NVIDIA GeForce Experience. And then after that, go ahead and click on drivers. And right here, you're going to find the latest driver. Make sure that you update your GPU to the latest driver. After that, you can launch Davinci Resolve 18 and check if it's working. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.